Oh, crap. Yeah, that's me. And I just broke a $25,000 website. Now, I know I don't look too stressed, but that's my experience as a firefighter and a medic. What am I going to do about it? Doesn't really matter. See, it's my website. That's the good news. The bad news is I have no idea how to fix it. I know how I broke it, but it amazes me how 2 seconds of work can cause probably an hour at least of fixing. And I'm not looking forward to it. So I thought, hey, let's make a video about it. So here we go. We are making a video. I destroyed ManusAI. The entire website. It's all down now. Well, the front end's still up. People can still view it. People can still probably hit the contact page. But everything else, broken. I doubt they can send an email. Actually, I know they can't send an email. So the contact page, just garbage right now. They're not going to be able to contact us. But let's see if we can figure it out at this time. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I should back up a little bit. You see, 3 a.m. CEO is all about me trying to become a serial entrepreneur. And the problem that we're running into right now with, 3 a.m. CEO is the fact that you guys don't know anything about any of my businesses other than I sold initial care and almost ruined my marriage. That was my latest video, which luckily, praise God, I did not ruin my marriage. And I don't care if I lost money on the company. That's fine. My marriage is more important. But ManusAI, I should probably tell you a little bit about it. Let's go to the actual website so you can see the front end. All right, so we are an AI consulting company. The goal of our company is to help small to medium-sized businesses grow by either minimizing some of their costs or expanding some of their workflows or minimizing their workflows. So save time, save money, or make more money by generating leads, things like that, all with the use of AI. So our website, as you can see here, is a normal, typical website. But that's what it looks like on the front. The front, it's completely normal. The back end, well, even this, hi. We can try to chat, and I broke the chat bot. That doesn't look good for an AI company. Luckily, this happened this morning, and we can get it fixed, hopefully soon. Now, there's a lot of different things that we can do here. There is, I'm not going to go through the website. It doesn't really matter. What I'm going to focus on right now is fixing it. So when you build a website, a lot of times you have something called environment variables. Environment variables are essentially keys that you want to put in so that you can connect all your website, your web hooks to your website. And I'm talking a lot of jargon. The whole point of ManusAI is, no jargon, no hype, no 6-figure retainer. So let me simplify it for you. Long story short, I broke the connection of all my website to all my APIs or smart things. That works. So my database, my chatbot, Gemini, we have Claude, we have a lead gen tool that we developed, and I can't do anything with that. So we need to get this fixed ASAP, like yesterday, although it wasn't broken yesterday, but that's okay. We're gonna get this fixed. Now, we are actually using Hostinger to host all our websites. Not all of our websites. We got some of them on Vercel, such as 3amceo.com. That is on Vercel. But for ManusAI, we're actually running it based off our website, based off Hostinger. Hostinger does give us, pretty sure, a key that I can share with you guys for you guys to receive a big discount. If this is something that you want to build yourself, then receive the discount. It gives me a little kickback, so we both win. That's actually what I did to get on Hostinger in the first place, was use someone else's discount code, which gave them a kickback and gave me a big discount. So I will share that in the description. There's also going to be other tools that I'll share in the description as well if you want to copy those and save a little bit of money. But let's go forward. So my business partner, so let me tell you what happened. This morning, my business partner, he did an update, fantastic update, which allowed us to put in webhooks for our website to connect to our chatbot. Now, we have a chatbot on our website, but we also have our cell phone, which is also a chatbot, so that it can have text or a chat with people and answer a lot of the questions and actually do a lot of the scheduling for us. That is one of the services that we offer. And so we were trying to get that set up. And as my business partner pushed it, I just had to do a quick update on environment variables. And I overwrote all my environment variables. And that sucks. Sucks. Real bad. So I'm going to see, I don't even know what environment variables that I need. And the worst part is, I'm out of Claude code. So I don't even know how I'm going to figure this out. But you know what? We're going to roll with it. We're going to figure it out. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to head to the dashboard, and then we're going to jump into redeploy. This is where all our environment variables sit. And great. I can't show you this because apparently it doesn't even encrypt it. So sorry, I'm going to just show you part of it so that you could see what we're building. We built our website with Next.js and Tailwind, CSS, all vibe coded, but it's pretty amazing stuff that you can build vibe code when you actually know what you're doing. And some of those tutorials are going to come later on, or not tutorials, but walkthroughs. I'll teach you how to do it if that's something that you want to do. So to find the environment variables, first of all, I know that I've had previous chats before. So let's see if I have any of those environment variables saved in previous chats. Nope, I deleted them all. Great. So now we'll jump over to Supabase. Supabase. And we're gonna add to dashboard, and we're gonna jump, oh boy. Not the right Supabase. So we're going to sign in with my GitHub. We're going to head over to ManusAI, jump into the project, and see if we can find what we need. So perfect. Website URL. I'm not going to share this, so you can just watch me. Completed. Let's see if I can log in now. No, I can't. I can't log in. It's still broken. Oh, crap. All right. So it's the next day. Unfortunately, I was not able to record the solution because I had to go and get my kids. But I was able to get it fixed up yesterday. And now for the important part. Why is it a $25,000 website in the first place? I actually just got it tested this morning, and it said that it's a $45,000 website minimum. I don't know if I believe that, but I'll go with it. But let's show you why. So I have on my screen here the website, ManusAI.ca. And as you can see in the background, we got our analytics and all that. That's pretty standard with most websites. But what's new and what's special with it is we can do everything that we want. We could do website testers. We track everything that people do on our website, which is pretty cool. The exciting part is we can actually build out clients. We can do a lead generation. And when we do proposals, we actually allow it to be customizable for the client. so they can see which proposal they like the best. They can play with it. They can add in other supports that were not necessarily in the original quote. They can see what they're missing and add in all the credentials that they want, and actually sign off on the contract. So this is a great way to, instead of giving a client one quote and say, here you go, this is what we offer, you can show all your upgrades without forcing it on them. They can see, oh, if I add the missed callback, or if I add the monthly support and optimization, that's going to only increase this much. We record all our conversations with our chatbot to make sure that everything's going on properly. We have service catalog, we have personal docs that we can upload. So as you can see, it's a lot more than just a basic website. We have our full CMS, we have our full chat history, we have ways that we can actually add knowledge to our chatbot so that it can specialize in something individually, such as trades. We can import CSV files. It's all going to be parsed into the chatbot. Our chatbot actually interviews people and gathers information so that even if they don't go to the contact page, we can still reach out to them. It's also a CRM, client relation management tool. So we have Kanban boards that we can track our leads. And you know what? Let's just show you the lead finder. Is this the lead finder? I would love to show you more, but that's going to be for another video. So check it out on Friday, here or here. I don't know, one of these places. And if it's not here, then YouTube's going to suggest something for you.